Assalamu alaikum 10th class. We are solving question number 8 of exercise 4.1. Resolve into partial fractions. The given fraction is 6x cube plus 5x square minus 7 divided by 3x square minus 2x minus 1. Degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator, so it is an improper fraction. The numerator will be divided by denominator and we get 3x square minus 2x minus 1. 6x cube plus 5x square minus 7 will be divided by this denominator. So we multiply 2x as quotient and get minus 6x cube minus 4x square minus 2x plus 6x cube minus 4x square minus 2x. First term will be cancelled out. 9x square plus 2x minus 7 is remainder, and then we multiply plus 3 by divisor and get 9x square minus 6x minus 3. By changing their sign, first term will be cancelled out. 8x minus 4 is remainder. Now degree of remainder is less than divisor, so this is not possible to divide further. Hence we will write the improper fraction as proper fraction, but first of all we will change this denominator into its factors by breaking its midterm. 3x square minus 3x plus 1x minus 1 will be equals to 6x cube 5x square minus 7 divided by 3x is common, x minus 1 plus 1 is common, x minus 1 again. Finally, the fraction will become 6x cube plus 5x square minus 7 divided by 3x plus 1 and x minus 1. They are two factors of given fraction, and their partial fractions will be quotient, which is 2x plus 3, quotient plus remainder. Remainder is 8x minus 4 and divisor is again 3x plus 1 and x minus 1. So only this term will be further factorized and we get 8x minus 4 divided by 3x plus 1 into x minus 1 equals to a over 3x plus 1 and b over x minus 1. And this is equation number 1. Multiply this equation by its LCM, which is 3x plus 1 into x minus 1. We get 8x minus 4 equals to a into x minus 1 plus b into 3x plus 1. This is identity. Now we will apply the zeros method and put x minus 1 equals to 0 and get x equals to 1. Put this value of x in identity. We get 8 into 1 minus 4 equals to a 1 minus 1 plus b into 3 minus into 1 plus 1. This factor becomes 0. So 8 minus 4 equals to 0 plus 3 plus 1, 4b. 8 minus 4 is equals to 4 and here 4b is. Now b will be equals to 4 by 4 is equals to 1. This is the value of b. Now we put 3x plus 1 equals to 0 and get x is equals to minus 1 by 3. we will put this value in identity and get minus 1 by 3. 8 into minus 1 by 3 minus 4 equals to a into minus 1 by 3 minus 1 plus b into 3 multiplied by minus 1 by 3 plus 1. Now 8 minus 8 by 3 minus 4 will be equals to a into LCM of these two terms will be 3. So minus 1 minus 3 plus 3 will be cancelled by 3. Minus 1 plus 1, it becomes 0. 0 multiplied by 0. And LCM of this side will be equals to 3 minus 8 minus 12 equals to minus 4 by 3a. Now we get minus 20 by 3 is equals to minus 4 by 3a. Minus will be cancelled out on both sides. 3 will also be cancelled. Now 20 by 4 will be equals to a. It is equals to 5. So value of a will be 5. Value of b is 1 and value of a is 5. We put these two values in equation 1 and get answer of the given fraction 6x cube plus 5x square minus 7 divided by 3x square minus 2x minus 1 equals to quotient of this question was 2x plus 3. We will write quotient, then plus value of a is 5. 5 divided by 3x plus 1 and the value of b is 1. So plus 1 over x minus 1. So finally they are the partial fractions of this given fraction. 6x cube minus 5x square minus 7 over 3x square minus 2x minus 1 was an improper fraction and its rational partial fractions are 2x plus 3 plus 5 over 3x plus 1 over x minus 1.